Hi guys, welcome to Becodewala. I welcome you to a new amazing project, and in this project we are going to see a skincare website. So we have built this using React, and for styling we have used Tailwind CSS and some pre-built UI components. So you can see that the skincare website. See how it is loading. See the loading animation, right? We have a beautiful navbar, right? And after that you can see that some paragraph and some buttons, then some glowing text and the product image. Then as you scroll down you can see that another image, right? And with the product badge, and in the background you can see the text, the bigger text, right? Then here you can see that these are the text, but when you scroll it, right, so see the text will start revealing, right, with the speed, right? And after that you can see that these buttons and some description, right? So some product quality, right, that is written here, right? Handmade, natural, and in bio ingredients. And you can see that on the right hand side a image with a beautiful badge and some text. And then we can see that we have also a button best selling products list. You can see that these products are available here, right? And after that you can see that another image where you can go to the shop now, and you can see another filter. And after that we have listed one more product, right? And here we can show the frequently asked questions, right? So once you open another, the others close automatically, right? And here you can have a beautiful footer with this glowing text, in the background the skincare, right? And some your social links and privacy policy and cookies, all this button. So text has been added, and we have a fully responsive, right? So let me scroll on the top, right? So you can see that it is fully responsive, right? You can see that the menu bar, right? And as we scroll down you can see that you can go and check it. It is fully responsive, right? See, and this carousel is working totally fine. See this carousel on the small devices, and this shop now button, and then this all these products button, right? And a few, right? And this FAQ is fully responsive, and the footer also. So all these things built with the React. So let's go to the package.json. So I'll share you the code uh, with this. So first of all we'll see this, what are the things that I've used, like Redux UI. So you can go and search Redux UI slot, right? So you can go to this and you can get install this Redux UI slot, right? And we have all this class variance authority. So why we are using all these? So first of all we will see this class variance authority. So it is a small utility library for managing conditional class name in Tailwind CSS. So it was created to solve problem like when building components you often need to conditionally apply the different class name depending on the variant like size, colors and all. So here in the buttons, when we are building the button component, so different variants we have created like default, descriptive, and for this different variant we have defined the different classes, right? And different size also. So these how we can create our own button component, right? Like the set and provide, right? So this how in the last tutorial also I have shown you how we can create your own component, right? So you can define different size, right? And here by default you can also define the variant default site default we have also defined, and the other small, large, and icon, right? So that's why we are using class variance authority, and here we can define the CVA, right? And here in this we have a different variant and sizes, right? So after that we can see the another package like CLSX. So it is a teeny utility library conditionally join classes names together in JavaScript or TypeScript. So it is a think like a smarter class name manager. Instead of manually writing like ternaries or string concatenation, CLS help you to provide the build you class string more cleanly. So that's why we are using CLS. So where is our CLS? So here you can see that we have written the code here, and in the button when we use here in our see in button we have defined the variant is ghost, this variant button, right? Here is the ghost variant, and the size is icon, right? And the class name, right? And all these things we have defined, right? So this all these things coming from this button component, right? So let's explore another package. So another package is Tailwind merge. So Tailwind merge is like utility function that merge the Tailwind CSS classes names and it resolve conflicts. So in Tailwind, if you accidentally add two classes that control the same thing like padding 2, padding 4, both will exist in the class string. The browser will apply the last one, but it will make your code messy. So Tailwind merge fixes this automatically, removing the conflict classes and keeping the correct one, right? So that's why we are using Tailwind CSS. So this is React and React DOM that we are on which our application is working, and this Lucid React for the icons that we are using in our this. So I will also deploy this on the like Vercel. So where is my code? So here you can get the code, right? SkinCare website code. You can go to Becodewala YouTube. You can follow on my GitHub, right? And give a star if you like this project, right? At free of cost. And here you can see that the link to this site, right? And here we have a like all these packages, right? How to set up all these things, right? So I will also explain all these things. So before that, here we have a one more thing that we missed, like React slot. So React slot is a utility component from the Redux UI that let you to slot or pass the style props into child component without losing the flexibility, right? So when we are building our buttons, right, there we can pass the as a child, right? As a child we can pass the props, right? So that's why using React slot from the Redux UI. And here you can go to this my here you can get the full source code of this project and how to set up. So I will also explain this how to clone and set up. So you can go below, and in the readme file you can see that I have added how to clone in your VS code. And here we can go to the skincare website and then install all the needed package and npm run dev, right, to start the server. And if you want to go for the production, you can use npm run build, and I'll give the source code in the description. You can go and check out the source code for the free. So I am going to share you all these things, all these assets that we are going to use, and this all this like animated FAQ section, loading screen, product carousel, product filter, text reveal. So all these things that we use, right? This FAQ and this product carousel, and this the text revelation with the time, right, and the loading screen when you come for the first time, right. So all these components that we have built here, and the UI like badge, button and cards that we are using here, that also we have built. And here in the desktop, so for the desktop we have, in this we have added both the code for the small devices also. So you can go through this all the codes, and you can customize according to your needs. So this is the website that I have built. So I'm not going to write the whole code for this, so I've already built this. So it is just a simple website, right. So you can check out the code, right, and learn with that. So thanks for watching. We'll meet in next tutorial with the amazing project. So I'm planning to give a major project for your resume. So we will see in the next tutorial for the resume. So this website is not good for your resume if you are looking for a full stack developer. So you can, if you are a front end developer, you can add this site. But I'm going to explain the in the next tutorial how to build for your resume your full stack website, right. So we will see in the next tutorial. So till that you can go through this front end website, this landing page for this. So thanks for watching. We'll meet in next tutorial. So hope you guys like the this website. So like the video and comment if you want the source code, and I will give in the source code in the description. So thank you.